So, hello folks. So today we're looking at a tutorial on how to stay for as maximum time possible during a PUBG match, and particularly speaking PUBG Mobile Lite. So we're in a team match position. I can go for separate videos on individuals and team matches, but for now since this is the most common for team matches, I'm gonna go ahead and start with this very first one. So yes, I've jumped off. As you can see, I've jumped off in the middle area of this map. So I would suggest for new beginners to not to go to very popular areas like luxury house, sawmill, military base, and etc., because you may find weapons, but your enemies may find those much faster and before you do. So yes, we'll get back to it later on. But for now, as you can see, yes, I saw a vehicle and I'm running toward it. As you can see, you should run for a vehicle as fast as you can, because having a vehicle on your arsenal can be a big plus point during the course of the game. Now, yeah, I'm moving toward not. I'm gonna search for my weapons and stuff, not in here, because my friends and teammates, my teammates have already plundered those areas. So I'm gonna just check this out. Yeah, I think this is a better option. Yeah, you should always look around using this I button that I just did. So you just run and yeah. Okay, pick up the pan for a melee weapon, helmet on, grenade we have here. Yeah, I picked it up, but we're looking for a bag. We have juice. So, big tip. So, while you're drinking or while you're having a pill, or you should always take cover, because you never know when your enemies are going to jump and just going to take an opportunity right at you because you're sitting and drinking, okay? So, you always have to take cover. You never know when your enemy's at. So I'm just gonna go ahead and plunder around for a couple times more, because I think my gun, my weapon, is not my favorite right now. So first things first, while you're choosing a weapon, okay, pick if it's possible, pick an assault rifle, because assault rifles are more uh, I would not, yeah, deadly, but they're more effective in shooting down people than just submachine guns. So, yeah, I'm driving this car right now. Yeah, my teammate is on the car too. And we're driving. So, one thing, if you have voice connection, if you're able to talk to your teammates during the course of the play, it's fine. But if you're not, uh, please don't let the other teammates take your car, because the car comes pretty handy when it comes to uh, during the course of the game. So I'm just go ahead and look around for any stuff that I may like, especially the juice. Don't for the bandage, don't pick up a lot of bandage. The baggage is fine, okay. And my suggestion to you all would be, never go for this vector. Although there is no gun around, so I'm just going ahead and pick this gun up. But the vector contains only 13 bullets at one time, so never use it. So this 5.56 mm bullet is for M416, or right now I don't have the exact gun number, but I think this is yeah, assault rifle. But okay, this rifle is also good, but might remind you that this rifle does not support burst firing. It only supports for uh, it does not support continuous firing. Sorry, it just only bursts out momentarily. So I'm just gonna go ahead. So our main objective here is not to go and shoot everybody down, but today's objective is to stay for as long as you can during the match, because we know the longer you stay in a match, the more chances, the more possibilities that you may win the match, because by chance your enemy dies outside the play zone, then you're going to be the winner. So that's the idea here. Okay, ideally we do not want to go and just shoot everybody at first instance. Okay, so I'm just gonna. So while you're running in the complete open, I would say please don't. So yeah, I'm lucky. I so far now no one has shown up. So be sure to look around like I'm doing right now, because you never know when enemy's gonna backstab you. I mean, shoot. So be careful. So I think this place I've already plundered for my loot, so I don't need them anymore. And one quick tip would be, if you go into an area and you find all the doors open, then there's a big chance that you do not need to go in there, because somebody might have already oh my god, there's an enemy. Okay, okay, okay. So let him near you so that you can take a better shot, and boom, bam, 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 bam. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, I just killed him. So before you go ahead and pick his stuff up, always remember to look for the surroundings, especially in an open scenario. Yeah, while you're in a bush, it's okay. So my favorite weapon would be this M416. It uses this 5.56 millimeter bullets, and this is one of the most accurate guns, most deadliest guns in this game, Pubg Lite. So yeah, I like this gun a lot, and I use this a lot. Yeah, the AK-47 is a lot stronger gun than this Arsenal M416. But what happens is, as you aim down using your scope and just fire at somebody, the AK-47 is gonna run, zigzag. You can't hold a position. Unlike this M416, it has a little bit power more than the SMGs, short machine guns, and submachine guns, but a little bit lower than the AK-47s, just right at the sweet spot. So you just have, so while you're running in a very crowded area like this one scenario, you always have to look. Okay, so the two times scope is one of the most sweetest. So I would recommend, unless you're using a sniper or something, don't use a 6 times scope, because with the 6 times scope, it tends to vibrate a lot, so you may not like it when you're firing at close range. So 2 times is scope is the sweet spot for your close combat situations, as I'm doing it right now. So there is no guarantee that I'll be in the top, but I can tell you that I can stay and survive for as long as I can without killing anybody. So there's a chance. Since this game always depends on chance, there's a yeah. I saw this vehicle while running back a few moments ago, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this vehicle. I remembered that this is the car that my teammate, so-called teammate, drove it away from me. Never mind, I'm not against him. I just wish they hadn't taken it away from me. So one thing, I consider myself a very good driver, because I used to kill a lot of people with my car, with whatever car. So in case of bikes, you should not use bikes until and unless it is quite uh, necessary. So I would not recommend using a bike, because bikes don't have cover, and you can't slam people or run over people with your bike. So that's one thing. Okay, we're into it. So always stay connected to your teammates, although you do not want to wish to speak with them with the voice chat. You can always message them, okay? And please learn to use the map, because one thing I would do is, you do not diverge into the margins of the map. You always converge towards the map. Oh my god, there's a fire. Okay, 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 go, 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 go. So there's a team right here. Okay, three people. So in case of scenario like this, never land in front of them. You just go. Okay, like I'm doing right now. You just pay attention to what I'm doing, okay? Okay, and bam, I'm gonna shoot them. Bam, 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 bam. You can always collect the stuff later, but you gotta give yourself some time to heal yourself. Or this is when team comes in. So when you're getting healed, one of your team is gonna get cover fire. So team. So when you're playing in a team, you have a much more better chance of survival than, what did I say? Always take cover. So I'm doing cover right now as I'm getting healed. We can always go and collect the stuff later on. My car's all blown up. I can't use the car anymore. Oh, here's a teammate. Yeah, we can revive him. We're reviving him. It takes a couple of seconds, but usually if you're unlucky, some team's gonna just pop up right out of nowhere and just gonna shoot you down. Here's a car. I'm just gonna try to drive. I think there is no... Get in the car. Come on, people. Come on, folks. We don't have time. Get in the car. Okay. Dude's got no chill. My car, I think, yeah, I have to pick up some stuff. I'm picking this stuff up. Yeah, these stuff up, especially my rifle bullets. One piece of suggestion, one tip would be, please do not use the submachine guns, because what happens with submachine guns is that although they have higher magazine capacity relative to assault rifles, what they do is they don't deliver that much of firepower in comparison to those powerful assault rifles like AK-47. I would consider the AK-47 or M7 something that there's a gun out there. I hardly use these two because they're not very stable. But what I would recommend to a lot of new beginners would be M416, as I'm using at the present moment, because it's very stable, and yeah, our battle circle is getting smaller and smaller as the time progresses. So, and we're down to 17 from the total 59 or 60 from the start. There's a package dropped, and one thing would be, when a package is dropped, don't go to that package immediately. I repeat, when a package is dropped, don't go to that package immediately, because a lot of people are going to be aiming for that package and that package only. So you have to prepare it. And one thing I usually do is get rid of all those unnecessary items in your bag, is like this one. Know your ammos, okay? I've just gotten rid of .45 mm guns, bullets. Those are for either the Thompson or Vector. I just got rid of them. Okay, so we're scanning now. So one thing I don't do is that never go in the water, because you can't use your gun while you're in the water. And if you're unlucky and somebody finds you in the water, then there's a high chance that you're out of the game. Okay, we're moving toward the bridge. Always check the sideways. Okay, there's no one from the back, which means the enemy is going to be at the front. So now we're down to 8. Our teammates and I are still crawling on through. Okay. Let's check it out on the surroundings. Fine. The surrounding is also good. All good right now. But what we need to do is always check out, because it's the crucial time of the game. We're alive. We're down to the most top 10, most experienced top 10. So always check around. There it is. And yeah, if possible, use a smoke grenade to cover your tracks when you're trying to move. And plus, I'm hearing a lot of firing over there. So okay, get cover. Fall back to safe zone. Yeah, here it is. The smoke cover is on. We're running. And okay, the only possible location for the enemy probable location may be, since we are inside the small circle, yeah, the area, these three houses that I'm just running toward at. So the enemy is going to be here somewhere. So you have to hunt them out before they hunt you out. That's our key. We don't need to kill all of them. We just need to stay for as long as possible so that whenever you want to kill everybody right from the get-go, I'm going to make a separate video on that. So stay tuned for that too. But for now, we're just surviving, okay? For this video, surviving, yeah. And yeah, we can check here also. I think somebody had gotten here first, and come on. So since it's not in here too, these guys are most certainly gonna be on the neighboring houses. So my team, okay, I can hear the fire. Go. Yeah, here it is. Enemy. Go. Shoot. Okay, come on, shoot. Behind the trees, I think he's been knocked out. You just have to go and kill it. Okay, oh my god. And there it is. Somebody got to me. But still, I told you, we're winner, chicken dinner. Yeah, my teammate got the most valuable player tag, but since we're a team, we still won because of me. I was the GOAT. I distracted them, okay? And my teammate ambushed them. So this is a great way to deal with an amateur style game for anyone who want to stay into the game for as long as possible time. You don't remember, the goal here is not to kill everybody. You don't have to get high scores, but the aim is to stay for as long as possible. Have a nice day.